Hello guys, you're welcome to Forex Success. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you a very powerful strategy to trade volatility 10 index. Volatility 10 index powerful strategy in this video right now. So you can see my entries with this strategy. I took a sell at this point and it's still in profit, and I took another sell again, still in profit. You can see. So these are my profits. You can see. So that's it guys, we keep on making profit with this strategy. Very powerful strategy for volatility 10 index guys. For volatility 10 index, you make money with a strategy. So before we get started, I'll show you how this strategy works. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button. We drop strategies for crash and boom, for volatility, step index, and all synthetic indices. So click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when we drop a new video, so you won't miss out. So guys, check out other videos on crash and boom, step index. They are all on this channel, so you can click on the channel and check our videos. So guys, this is it. The testing of this strategy, trading on a live account with this strategy, it's the video is out. Check out the video. The link is at the description below. So check out the video and see the way I trade the strategy carefully, so that will make you understand it more. So at this video right now, I'm going to show you how to use it and the parameters. It's a very powerful strategy guys, very powerful strategy. So that we'll have the link at the description below if you want to open a trading account for Deriv, for FBS, for OctaFS. If you want to start trading synthetic indices, open an account on Deriv. If you want to start trading currency pairs, you can open an account on OctaFS or FBS. So that's it guys. So without wasting time, let me go over to the strategy. So first thing you need for this strategy, this is, I zoom in, this is the first zoom level. So you have to zoom first and second, which is the third zoom level. That is what it's currently in now, the third zoom level. So you leave your chart at the third zoom level. Then the next thing you need to do, this strategy works for 5 minutes and 15 minutes. 5 minutes and 15 minutes. It also works for 30 minutes guys. I'm saying this right now in the video. It works for 30 minutes. Please guys, let me quickly set out this issue guys. Please, on the comment section, you can ask your questions on the comment section. The comment section is open for questions guys. If you know the answer to any question any other person has asked, you can simply answer the person. It's not compulsory that I must be the only person. This channel has almost 11,000 subscribers, so it's difficult for me to answer everybody. So if you know the answer to a question like what time frame, what the zoom level, you can answer, because I've answered what time frame, what zoom level more than 1,000 times guys. So if you have the answer, you can answer. And if you saw the watch the video, I always say the time frame and the zoom level. So guys, this strategy works for 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. Don't take this strategy to the 1 minute. Don't take it to the 1 minute. Just start from 5 minutes, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So that's it. So guys, to set your indicators for this strategy, this is how you set your indicators for this powerful volatility 10 index strategy. You click on the indicator tab. The first indicator you will need is the Ichimoku. So you're not going to be taking the Ichimoku first, because the Ichimoku can't appear on the indicator window one, because that's where we need it. So you can decide to take the relative strength index. So you click on the relative strength index, you set your period to period 14, then apply to close. We're not going to be using this indicator, but it will help us open an indicator tab. So the style 2 pixel, the levels, this is the most important part. The levels, this is how you can add your levels. Let me delete. Okay, delete the levels. You click add, and again you label the first level 20 and the second one 80, which serve as overbought and oversold level. Then you click done. So this is it. This is the 80 overbought and the 20 oversold level. Guys, please watch this video attentively. You can make money from it, guys. You can make money with this strategy. So the next indicator, on indicator window one, you click on the indicator window one tab. Then you select the Ichimoku, the taker sign 9, as you can see, 9, the Kijun 26, then the circle span 52. Don't feel it. Taker sign, the color, you use green. Please guys, listen attentively. Use green. Don't skip any part of this video. You use green. The Kijun, you use black 1 pixel. The Upkumo, use the color of your screen. The color of my screen is black, so that's why I'm using black. The Dankumo 1 pixel, use black. The Chico span 1 pixel, use black also. Then you ignore these levels, ignore them. You can delete yours. It doesn't matter, delete it. So we're not using the level. You click done. So this is the indicator we just set. Now the Ichimoku, this is just what we need. This green line. Okay. So the next indicator, guys, we need is a moving average. You should click on the main chart. Look, the main chart. You go for moving average. The period, you set it to 60. Period 60. Shift 0. Method, simple. Apply to close. Yeah, the style, 3 pixel. The color of your choice, but I'm using blue. Then you click done. Finish, guys. This is just the indicators you need for this powerful strategy. The indicators you need. So now the zoom level, I've talked about that before, but I'll say it again now. The zoom level, this is the first zoom level. You pitch in once, second zoom level, pinch again, third zoom level. So this is the third zoom level, guys, and that's what we'll be using for this strategy. Exactly. So like I said before, this strategy, you should use the 5-minute and the 15-minute time frame for this strategy. 5-minute and 15-minute time frame for this strategy. The 5 minutes can give you early entries, and the 15 minutes also can give you early entry, but 30 minutes will give you late entry. So if I was using 30 minutes, this would be my entry. So this is my entry using the 30 minutes, you can see, but the 15 minutes gave me this entry, you can see. So it's still in progress. So I like it when the whole time frame are in agreement with the strategy. The 5 minutes crossing above, indicating a sell. The 15 minutes crossing above, and this at the overbought level, indicating a sell. For me, it's a good thing. And the 30 minutes crossing above, and this Ichimoku at the overbought level, indicating a sell for me. So this is a very good strategy, guys, and you can see how it works right now. I'm on huge profit right here. So $1,000 plus profit with this strategy. Very powerful, guys. From the daily time frame, okay, it's still selling, you can see. So this is the strategy, guys. So how does this strategy works? Look, what you need to watch out for is just 2 conditions. It's very simple. The first one is that the blue moving average should cross above this chart. It cross above this chart. The first condition is met. Then the second one is that this Ichimoku should be at the overbought level. So as soon as you get that, guys, you place a sell for volatility 10 index, 5-minute and 15-minute time frame. That's what you should trade with. That's what you should trade with, guys. 5-minute and 15-minute time frame. In addition, you can add 10-minute time frame. So to sell volatility 10 index, you wait for the blue moving average to cross above, and then you check the Ichimoku should be at the overbought level. Then you sell. You make profit. Good strategy. So to buy volatility 10 index, you wait for the blue moving average to cross below the chart, and then you check for the Ichimoku to be at the oversold level. Then you buy. You can see that, guys. So you buy as soon as it's at the oversold level and the Ichimoku crosses and the moving average crosses below the chart. You buy. Again, guys, at this point it crosses above the chart, and then the Ichimoku is at the overbought level. It's a sell. Your take profit should be at the 20 level. So when the chart comes down to the 20 level, you you take your profit. But in addition, you can decide, like me, I do that. So for the Ichimoku, for the you go to the relative strength index, you can decide to add another. Guys, I'll have to delete this before I can add another level. You can decide to add a level 50 so you can take profit, because most time the market gets to the 50, make a lot of consolidation and then ends there, and then make a reversal. So in order to be safe, you just add your levels 50. So you can see I'm adding another level 50, which is the midpoint. It's usually the take profit if you cannot hold down to the oversold level. So that's it, guys. I go back and then I click done. So you can see now we have a midpoint 50. So you can take profit at this 50 level. You can take profit at this 50 level. If you don't take profit at this, let's say you sell this market from this point and then you take your profit at this point, so you have some pips to catch at here. But if you decide to keep it, just like I did, you keep it down till it gets to the oversold level, which is this point, and then you take profit. You can see you should take profit from this point, guys. So at the oversold, it started a buy. This is 15-minute time frame. It started a buy again. You can see a buy. So this is not my trade. This is past market. So this is my own trade. I got in this market here. You can see it. I got in this market when it bought crossed above, and the Ichimoku was at the overbought level. So I sold it, and then look, more profit, more profit. So it's almost at my take profit level. So for me to take profit, I would just simply go to the 1 hour time frame and check if there's any possibility of the downtrend to continue. Check out my 4 hour time frame and check if there's any possibility of the downtrend to continue. So from what I'm seeing, guys, I think the sell is going to continue, especially from my daily time frame, seeing that this is a downtrend and the market came for a retest and continued the trend, came for another retest, continued the trend, forming lower lows and lower highs. You can see lower lows and lower high. So I might leave this market to continue this downtrend. So that's it. That's how we trade and make money. Make money, guys, trading, because you just need the right knowledge and trade. So guys, with this strategy, I believe and I know we are going to make money. You guys are going to make money to the glory of God using the strategy volatility. So check out the past market to see how this strategy works. Click it out on 15-minute time frame, crosses above these two conditions, the green Ichimoku at the overbought and the blue moving average at the overbought. At crossing above the chart, it's a sell. It's a sell. To buy, the blue moving average cross below and the green moving average at the oversold level, it's a buy. You can see again at this point the blue moving average crossing above the chart, indicating a sell, and the Ichimoku at the overbought level, indicating a sell. You see that, guys? So each time it happens, it works. Each time it happens, it works. Exactly. It crosses above at the overbought. You sell it. You put your stop loss above the indicator. So if you enter this market at this point, you place your stop loss above this indicator, because the moving average serves as dynamic support and resistance level. Yeah, so you place it above it as a stop loss. And I told you how to take profit. As soon as it gets to the 50 or to the oversold or the overbought level, you take your profit. So that's it, guys. That's the strategy I brought to you today. Crossing below, make profit. If you entered at this point, look, you make profit, guys. These are pips. Crossing above, come down. These are pips. Profit for you. Profit continuously. Crosses above at this point, and this is at the overbought level. It's sell. You make profit continuously with the strategy. It crosses above at this point. It's at the overbought. It's sell. You make profit, guys. This is a very powerful strategy, very powerful strategy. So hit that like button now and share this video to your friends. Let them also benefit from this. And then, guys, make money for yourself. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we drop a new strategy. So thanks, guys, for watching, and open a Deriv account if you don't have, so you can start trading. The link is at the description below. Click on the link and open an account right now so you can see the strategy. It keeps on working cross below at the oversold level, it buys. At the oversold level, it buys. It cross above at the overbought level, it sells continuously. So that's it, guys. A very powerful strategy for volatility 75 index. So for volatility 10 index, guys, this strategy is for volatility 10. For volatility 10 index, it cross above, it's a sell. You see the strategy, it keeps on working. It cross above at the overbought, it's a sell. Powerful strategy.